Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ClickUp custom fields for better tracking. Beginner. Start by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to configure custom fields. Open any task or create a new task to access the task view. Look for the custom fields section located on the right side of the task details. Click on the plus Add Custom Field button. A menu will appear with various field types to choose from. Select the desired field type based on the data you want to track. For example, choose checkbox for binary options or drop-down for multiple selections. After selecting the field type, give your custom field a clear name. If applicable, fill in additional settings, such as default values or options for drop-downs. Click Create to add the custom field to your task. You can now see the custom field displayed in the task view. To edit or remove a custom field later, click the three-dot menu next to your field name. Select Edit to make changes or Delete to remove it from the task. Consider using custom fields in multiple tasks for consistent data tracking. To bulk add custom fields, go back to the main view and select multiple tasks. Then click on the Custom Fields option in the toolbar. From here, you can add or edit fields for all selected tasks at once. Take advantage of custom fields to enhance your project management and tracking. Regularly assess your needs and adjust your custom fields accordingly. This will help you maintain better overview and control over your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.